Hi from me, Bernie B in Hamilton's. When we don't have the correct equipment on site, we try to improvise, like creating an extension pole for our roller using a broom handle. It doesn't quite fit, and with some tape we should be okay, even if it wobbles when we roll. Or maybe no broom handle at all. You're tall enough, you should get up there. I think not. How about forget the ladder? What about a drum and a stretch? Sounds like gym exercise. The stretch and roll technique. No. Okay, so now you've got the ladder, but it's up and down like snakes and ladders. Yeah, loading the roller and up the ladder again. Then moving the ladder continuously as you progress along the wall. Time consuming. And as I say, time is money, so why not purchase Hamilton's extension poles? They're available in a 2.5 and 3 meter length when fully extended. And they fit all Hamilton roller handles. Definitely no need for moving ladders or erecting costly scaffolding. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. So there we go. Go and extend your vision to a perfect finish. That's it from me, Bernie B, and Hamilton's.